Well, hello. Here, as you can see, I have a mess in one of my makeup palettes, eyeshadow palettes drawer. So, yeah, if you want to see how I organize it, then yeah, keep watching. I have too many, and surprisingly, most of the times I use most of them. The ones that I use the most are the kimchi palettes because it's like my go-to one, but yeah, I have all of these. Here, as you can see, I'm trying to figure out how the hell I'm going to organize all these Jeffree Star palettes I got. They are so difficult to like find a spot for them. But yeah, these are some of the ones that I have. I haven't bought any other Jeffree Star palette after Cremated, I believe. So yeah, these are the ones that I have. My go-to from the Jeffree Star palettes would be Blood Money. They have a shimmer, like a shimmery green there that I love. So yeah, here I'm organizing this. So yeah, just bear with me. I'm sorry. But thank you for watching anyways. Now, if you like seeing all these videos, you know, like organizing and stuff, I have a lot of the drawers to organize. I have my contour drawer with my eyelashes. I have like the lipsticks and all that stuff. If you want to see me organize those, I can definitely record the videos. But you know what? Like for part 2, and I'll just do that so you guys can see some of the stuff that I have. The newest palette I bought was a Michaela palette. I like the shimmers, not too much the other colors. They're not, you know, not that great. But yeah, yeah, like for part 2. Thank you.